Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. Now we appreciate it. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Epson Photo XP 8700 Epson Expression Photo XP 8700 printer. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, triple-in-one, in the sense you can copy, scan, print from this gear. This printer is excuse me, this printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network, likewise USB cable connection. You can also connect it with Wi-Fi direct, and you can also print multi-page from right here. It's auto two-sided printing gear, mobile printing with touch screen, and also CD/DVD print and memory card print as well. Check my video how we unbox this printer. What we're going to do right now is show you step by step how to set this printer up. Okay, this printer is using Cartridges 378. 378 is the ink cartridges using. Likewise, you can also use compatible ink cartridges 378 extra large. In terms of the printing speed for this printer, you can print up to 9.5 prints for black and 9.0 prints per minute for color. And in terms of the photo, is 10 seconds to print speed. Scan resolution is 1200 by 4800 dpi, and print resolution is up to 5760 by 1440 dpi. Okay, now this printer is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Windows Vista. Okay, now what we want to do is to set this printer up. Okay, and from what is written from the front panel right now is to set this printer up, we need to scan code to set up this printer with your mobile, smartphone, or other device using Epson panel. Okay, so what we need to do right now, you can see we need to scan the code. You can also see the flashing light. It signifies that this printer is not yet connected. So what we need to do right now is for us to go to our mobile device and download the printer. Epson panel is what we need to do. So go to Play Store on our mobile device. Once you're in Play Store, download Epson printer panel. Okay, so go back, type Epson smart panel, install it on your phone. Okay, right now I can see the panel is installing on my mobile device. From what is written here, you can continue to set up without app. Ideally, it's good for you to set this printer up with the app, okay, for easy connection and to do your work, increase your productivity with app. Okay, so right now what we're doing is waiting for Epson smart panel to be ready. Okay, I can see it's up. Now it's downloaded, installed on my phone. Click it open. And once it's open, you just need to agree to terms and conditions. Click agree. Okay, click OK. Now the next thing is following. Check the following. Okay, on the screen, make sure the following setting is confirmed. Okay, click next. Click next. Okay. You can then allow Epson panel to access device location. Click yes. Right now it's searching for the device, searching for the product. Okay, would you like to check if the product is supported? Yes. Now the next thing is, okay, the other thing you can do, you can also search for the product right here. But if you don't want to do that, you can also click close. Now the next thing we need to, okay, you can see set up a new product. Okay, select set up a new product. Now the next thing is thank you for choosing Epson product. Click continue. Now turn on Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is on. Make sure the product is turned on. Click next. So you can see you find the printer XP 8700. Okay, so you find the printer XP 87. Okay, so click on it. Are you sure you want to select this printer? Click yes. So right now it's asking us please wait. And if you look on the panel, setting up the printer from Epson Smart Panel, do not turn the power off. Okay, right now it's asking us please wait. Okay, let's get ready for ink initialization. Click continue. Okay, now we will guide you to set up. Okay, click continue. Make sure the following rules stay in front of the printer. Do not turn off the printer while setup is setting up. Click continue. Now it's sending the information to the printer. What it's doing right now is sending information to the printer. Please wait. Okay, it's processing. It's processing. Now we will guide you step by step. Before we start, make sure the following rule stay in front of the printer. Okay, so right now sending information to the printer. You can now prepare the printer, swipe the screen, okay, up and down, check previous and next setup. Let's start with ink. Refer to the image below and open the scanner. Okay, so right now, okay, so what he's telling us now is can refer to the image. Okay, you can see the image is telling us right now. Okay, take out the ink cartridges that comes with the printer from the bag. Okay, now we have the ink cartridges here. This is the ink cartridges. Now the next thing is take out the ink cartridges. So first of all, open this printer this way. Okay, and you can see the ink cartridges holder right here. Okay, now we have the inks here. Okay, here is the ink cartridges. Okay, so once you take out the ink cartridges that come with the printer from the bag, for the initial setup, make sure you use the ink cartridges that come with the printer. These cartridges cannot be saved for later use. The initial ink cartridges will be partly used to change the print head. These cartridges may print fewer pages compared to subsequent ink. Okay, so this is so you can see the instruction is what is telling us things we need to do. Okay, so right now this is how to set this printer. Okay, you can see the instruction. Okay, so right now what we need to do is, first of all, you can see used M. Okay, so this is M ink cartridges. Open it up this way. Then you go inside. Okay, go in. Okay, here click sign, so it's in. Do the same thing to BK. So what we're looking for right now is BK is black. Okay, and do the same thing. Go in. Okay, make sure this pin chip is to this end. Okay, to your right, and the other end go to, you hear a click sound. The next is LC. LC is the next ink. Yeah, we got it here. Okay, so open it up. This is LC. Remove it. Okay, then what you need to do is make sure this chip go to the right. Okay. Okay, it's in. Now the next thing is blue, which is C. So this is how to set the ink. Open it up, okay, and do the same thing. This goes inside to the blue. Make sure it's in. The other way around. It's in. Now the next is yellow. The last, not the last. Okay, second to the last. This is yellow. Open it up. Okay, and make sure this chip goes to your right as you are putting it. Put it inside. Okay, the last but not the least. Okay, open and go in. Make sure the chip is inside. Here we go. So this is how to set the ink. Okay, and you can see the ink is in. Okay, and the next thing we need to do once you're done, okay, follow the instruction. Okay, once you're done, gently close the panel. Okay, so right now click start. Now it's initializing. Ink is initializing. Here we go. Initialization, please wait. Do not turn power off until installation complete. This may take up to 10 minutes. So it's initializing right now. So this is how to set this printer up. Okay. So right now this printer is initializing. So this is how to set this printer up. And you can see the arrow, okay, which is when the arrow is completely, it will show you do not turn the power off or open the scanner unit while the ink is initializing. So we just need to wait and be patient. You can see. This printer is nice, beautiful stuff. We can print out a stunning photo from this gear. So right now it's initializing. It's progressing slow. So this is how to set this printer up, step by step, what you need to do. I do get a lot of questions on how to do this, so I'm just happy and glad to show you step by step how you can set this printer up. Right now we are in the process of installing the ink. Check the process we followed by making sure that look for the printer, then install the ink one by one, then after that click continue. So this is gonna take about 10 minutes, but we need to be patient. So you just need to be patient. This is progressing. Initialization ink, it takes about 10 minutes to complete. So you can see the progress is doing. Okay, so we just need to wait and exercise patient. Okay, I'm just gonna bring the camera close for you to see what is written here. Initialization, please wait. Do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. It takes about 10 minutes. So you can see the progress is making. So we are just waiting for this to be completed. This is very nice process. Okay, can see the process of making sure. Thank you for choosing the Epson product. So you just need to read the instruction properly, okay, by making sure turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Okay, then make sure the product is turned on, okay, and it's still progressing. And also you can see, set the ink into the printer. Do not touch the part shown in the image, which is where the chip is, okay, and also where the filter, ink filter is, okay. So you can see. Then once you've done that, then you follow the process. Okay, so it's progressing. This gear deserves your attention. Epson Expression 8700. It's progressing. Initialization, please wait. So what it's doing right now is initializing. We just need to be patient. This printer is very compact, premium multifunctional photo printer. You can actually see the progress on the screen. Okay, there's a line here that is moving, it's progressing. Okay, slowly and steady. So once it reach to the end, that will be it. Okay, but at the moment it's just progressing slowly. So it's gone to halfway. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, to make this video short, I'm going to continue. So you can see initialization completed. So after you load the ink, you need to wait about 10 minutes for this to be completed. So the ink to be initialization, and it will tell you initialization completed. So the next is move on to print quality adjustment. Okay, so you can click on your mobile device, you can click continue, but to print quality adjustment, then you need to load the paper tray, okay, and print adjustment. Okay, click printer adjustment. So but this is how to install the ink right now. This ink cartridge is completed and initialization completed. So I'm going to show you on my next video how we can progress to print quality adjustment and load the paper tray and adjust print quality adjustment on my next video. Thank you.